Hey everyone! We're excited to introduce our product return prediction website. This platform helps you check whether a product is likely to be returned or not. To get started, first, you need to register. Simply enter your details and create an account. Simply enter your credentials on the login page and click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and user-friendly dashboard where you can start making predictions. In Homepage we can see the profile of user, history, bulk upload, visualize. Now, let's enter the product details. Fill in the required fields like product name, category, price. This information helps our AI model analyze and predict whether your product is likely to be returned or not. Once you've entered the details, simply click the Predict button. And in just seconds, you'll see the result, whether the product is likely to be returned or not. If you enter above 100 and discount it show error. We can enter different data to predict the product whether returned or not. You can also check your past predictions anytime in the History section. And the best part? You can download your data in multiple formats, CSV, PDF, or Excel, for further analysis. We also provide graphical insights to help you visualize trends in product returns over time. These charts make it easy to spot patterns and make data-driven decisions. If you need to analyze multiple products at once, no problem. Our system allows bulk data uploads, making predictions for multiple records simultaneously. This saves you time and effort, especially when handling large datasets. Want to know who built this amazing platform? Visit the About Us section to learn more about the developers and mentors behind the project. We're passionate about making AI-driven solutions accessible and efficient. You can also update your profile and change your password anytime from the Settings menu. This keeps your account secure and personalized. After completing your work, you can log out safely. To make sure your data is saved, log back in and go to your History section. If everything is stored, you'll see all your past predictions right there. If needed, you can clear your history with just one click. Once history is deleted, the graph is also cleared, keeping your dashboard clean. And that's it. Our product return prediction website is designed to make your life easier, helping you anticipate returns with just a few clicks. Try it today and take control of your product insights.